Have your pizza dough ready to use and all of your other ingredients as well. Here we're just going to use a simple pizza sauce. And of course we have the recipe for you. Very easy to make in mere minutes. And you're gonna have authentic pizza coming out of your wood-fired oven. Mozzarella, low moisture or full fat, is all low FODMAP. And pepperoni, you have to read the labels, but you can find low FODMAP pepperoni. Black olives. How about some green bell peppers? Can you believe this is low FODMAP? Get it onto your peel for easy transfer to your oven. We've got our Ooni Karu 16-inch multi-fuel pizza oven preheated. It's up over 900 degrees, and we are going to launch that pizza right onto the deck. I've got hardwood and charcoal in there right now. After about 30 seconds, I go in there with the turning peel and give the pizza a turn. Your pizzas will cook in 60 to 90 seconds, so don't walk away. And then look at what you'll be rewarded with. Look at that pizza. A thing of beauty. So delicious. The textures, the flavors. Have your cutting board right there and a nice sharp pizza wheel. Make sure everybody's at the table. You're going to want to eat this right away when the cheese is all nice and gooey. All low FODMAP.